For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Supreme Court pulled up Uddhav Thackeray-led Maharashtra government over the welfare of migrants. The Supreme Court refused to accept Maharashtra's claims that there was no problem in the state when it came to migrant workers. This is the second time in a month that the state is being pulled up for not doing enough to improve the plight of migrants. A bench of justices, Ashok Bhushan, S.K. Kaul and M.R. Shah, asked Maharashtra to file a fresh affidavit. The affidavit should list the steps taken to mitigate the problems of migrant workers wanting to return to their native places amid the lockdown due to COVID-19. The top court took suo motu cognizance of the case regarding the miseries of migrant workers during the COVID-19 lockdown. What is happening in Maharashtra? Large number of migrant workers are still in the state. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta argued on behalf of Maharashtra. He said that migrants who were in Maharashtra were sent back to their native places. Mehta also argued that migrants wanting to go back now wanted to stay with the opening up of employment opportunities since May 1st. Since then, around 350,000 migrants have gone back to the state, he said. The bench said it is the responsibility of the state to ensure the welfare of the migrants. Your affidavit is not up to the mark. We cannot accept the state's claim that there is no problem in the state of Maharashtra. They have treated this as an adversarial litigation. You must advise them to file a proper affidavit by the next date of hearing. Senior advocate Ranjit Kumar appeared before the court representing Bihar. He said that reverse migration had started in the state. He added that most trains leaving from Patna to other cities were running full. On June 19th, the Supreme Court took up the issue of migrant workers. The court had asked the centre and all the states to ensure that all stranded migrant workers willing to return must be sent to their native places. This without them being charged for train or bus fares. In its June 9th migrants judgment too, Supreme Court had criticized Maharashtra for the state's treatment of migrants. There are huge lapses on the part of the state authorities in implementing state policies and decisions, and most of the claims are only on paper, causing great miseries and hardship to the migrant workers. The state has to be more vigilant. The case will now be taken up on July 17th, where the states will have to file an affidavit on the condition of migrants in the states.